Okay, what is the bearing of Altir from Gwyndir? Okay, well, Gwyndir is here, okay, and because we want to measure the bearing from here, that's where our focus needs to be, okay, measuring from Gwyndir here towards Altir. So Altir going from Gwyndir is in this direction, okay, so the bearing measurement then going from the north clockwise will be all of that angle there. Okay, so to get that angle, obviously we can use that 170 there to help us. So it'd be 360, because it's a full circle. If you take away that 170, and then you get then, it comes out to be 190, doesn't it? So there's our answer there. In part B, it says, what is the bearing of Cwm from Altir? Now, here's Cwm, okay, and it's from Altir. So it's Altir we're going to actually measure our bearing from, and we're going from Altir towards Cwm, which is in that direction. Now, of course, when you measure bearings from Altir here, you've got to go clockwise from the north. You've got to go quite a way round to get in the direction of Cwm. So it's that major angle that we want there, okay? Now, in order to determine that, you need to appreciate the fact that we've got two north lines here, and those two north lines, okay, create what we sort of call a C angle, don't we? Remember the C angle, because they both parallel. So with a C angle, the interior angles there, well, when you look at it, they're not the same, but they're going to always add up to 180. Okay, so if that's 152, this is going to be 28. Okay, so they will add up to 180, and if I know that's 28, then to get this large angle, I've just got to take it away from 360. So 360, take away 28, and I get, yeah, there's my answer there, 332. Okay, part C, so we're on to the population density part of it. So we're given the area of land covered by 3 villages is 200 square kilometres, and the total population is 8,400. So it says then, what is the population density of these 3 villages? So remember now the formula for population density, okay? Looking at how dense the land is in terms of population. So it's population divided by area, okay? That's what we've got to do there. So population in this case is 8,400, and the area is 200. Okay, so you simply got to do that there. So all you're doing is dividing the population by the area. So zeros will cancel, and then you've got 84 divided by 2 is 42. So what that is saying is you're going to have 42 people per square kilometre. Okay. Part 2 then, it says the populations of Cwm, Altir, Gwyndir in the ratio 3:5. Calculate the population of Gwyndir. So remember with ratio, the order is the same order as the ratio here. So when it comes to Gwyndir, it's going to be that number at the end there, because Gwyndir comes last. So the way I go about this with ratio is look at how many parts we've got here in total. So that comes to 12. So we've got 12 parts. So I need to then look at the whole population of the 3 villages, which is 8,400, and work out what one part is. Okay, so 8,400. So we're going to share. We're going to share the 8,400, the population, by the 12 parts. So there's 12 piles here, and that comes to, well, 84 divided by 12. Okay, if you know your 12 sums table, goes into it 7 times, and then the 2 zeros here, so 700. So one part is 700. 5 parts then will be 5 of these, right? So 5 times 700, and 5 times 7 is 35, and add the 2 zeros, so 3,500.